Previously on PDS. Oh hey, I'm gonna make this soap and that and use this mold and that mold and I don't know what happened. I guess life got in the way of life. And you look at the calendar and suddenly realize months, literal months have gone by. And you realize you haven't done things that make you happy. And it's like, why? But anyway, I am back. I'm super excited that you are here with me. Fall's almost over, so let me try to get this video out before it's winter. A very quick, very easy fall themed soap. Let's go. I'm mixing these two colors here so I can get more of a goldenrod color. So 3 parts of the yellow and 1 part of the gold. As always, I like to disperse the colorants with the pre-measured oils that I have that I will be making the actual soap with. I take a little bit, disperse the mica. I don't know, I have it in my head that the color comes out a lot more vibrant if you disperse the mica first. I do know that it makes it a heck of a lot easier to mix the colorant into the soap batter. So for that alone, it's worth it to me. The fragrance oil that I'm using for this fabulous fall soap is pumpkin creme brulee. This particular fragrance will discolor the soap, so I will be using this color stabilizer. Well, you see, I pulled out the long spout cups, which can only mean one thing. My soap's going to accelerate. I wanted to keep this soap nice and simple, but I also wanted an embed in the soap as well. So a few days prior, I made this brown leaf cane. Just a nice, simple leaf. I just love the way this goldenrod color came out. I'm just gonna fast forward through this painful soap pour. Look at that soap. Just thickening up by the second. I honestly don't know what I was going for here. I wasn't really going for a drop swirl. I just, I don't know what I was trying to do. We'll see when I cut this soap what it looks like. Are you wondering about that third soap in the shabby chic inspired series? Yes, I will be finishing that video and releasing that as soon as possible. I've also made a bunch of other soaps. The soaps are done, and I'm very pleased with the soaps that I have made so far. It's been a lot of fun getting back into making the soaps. I do still have to edit all the videos and do the voiceovers, so it's going to take some time. I will be posting up the soaps on my Etsy shop as they become available. For the top of the soap, I thought I would use one of my favorite piping tips, a Wilton 4B. As always, everything that I use is listed below in the description box. I also want to pipe some very little leaves on top of the soap, and so I'm just going to cut a V into the piping bag like so. So to pipe your leaves, you're just going to hold the bag like so that it's like a little Pac-Man to the side. So hold the V to the side, and then just kind of do what I'm doing. And I don't know how to explain it, but just pipe little leaves. See, just like that. Very easy and very cute. I'm a bit rusty, but here is your mandatory motion sickness inducing shaky shot. 2 days later, let's cut this soap. Well, isn't that cute? Very simple, but very cute soap. I'm not a fan of the glycerin rivers that I'm seeing. I'm not even sure how that happened. I soap at room temperature. The soap never goes to gel. There isn't any titanium dioxide. And there's a water discount. So I'm guessing those glycerin rivers are from the color stabilizer. Oh well. The soap is still very much usable. It's just not as cute as I would like it to be. Hey, it's not that bad for a first-time soap in like several months, right? You have to give me that at least, right? Soap making is not like riding a bike, apparently. Well, that does it for today. As always and forever, thank you so very much for watching. Please feel free to like, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, or leave a comment below. Until next time, have a fabulous Thanksgiving. Take care. Bye-bye.